Hi, Ryan Zupan here with Citywide Financial. I'm talking today about my adjustable rate mortgage strategy. The most common question we get asked is fixed or variable. Which should I go for? Which is a better option for me? The answer to that will be addressed in a later blog. But I will say this about fixed versus variable. If you feel comfortable with the added risk of a variable rate mortgage, why not go with that lower variable rate but fix your payment higher as if you were in a fixed rate mortgage? You can obviously handle that payment or else you wouldn't be thinking about a fixed rate. Why not take advantage of today's very low variable rate mortgage and just pay down boatloads of additional principal? Let's look at an example. Today's best variable rate is around 2.25%, so that's 2% less than today's best fixed rate. If you had a $300,000 mortgage over 30 years, the difference in payment would be roughly $300, just slightly more than that. So your fixed rate payment would be roughly $300 more per month. If you took this strategy, in the first year alone, you'd pay down nearly $4,000 of additional principal. Big savings. Now, of course, with a variable rate, it changes throughout the year. So when the rate increases, or if the rate increases, that savings will be less significant. But my point here is really just to be illustrating the type of savings that this strategy can bring to your mortgage. Another thing to think about is eventually that variable rate may increase to the point of you needing to change or adjust that fixed payment. That's no problem. At that point, you'll already have paid down thousands of more principal than you would normally. We have a lot of options at that time. We can either look at refinancing early or locking in or just changing that fixed payment. But that's why it's very important that you have someone who is committed to helping you manage this mortgage. Anyone who's looking at going with a variable rate mortgage with their bank is crazy because the bank does very little to help you manage that mortgage. The variable rate opens yourself up to a lot more risk. So it's very important you have someone advising you every step of the way. To learn more about my adjustable rate strategy or to learn more about other strategies that we're equipping our clients with, contact me. I'm Ryan at Citywide Financial.